The Ministry of the People and Social Development is soon to undertake a survey to determine the level of poverty in Trinidad and Tobago. Enumerators will conduct the survey in 7,000 homes across the country, gathering sample data to assess just how many people are living under the poverty line. The ministry says poverty is one of the critical issues facing the nation. Mahala Joseph reports.
Reducing poverty has become one of the major priorities of the Ministry of the People and Social Development. In past surveys, households that were deemed poverty-stricken were those run by a single parent or families earning a low income.
This is not about creating a fast fix or short-term solution, but doing the necessary research, we can develop informed ways to offer persons a road out of their state of vulnerability and poverty.
The last time any survey was conducted in this country was in 2005. The ministry says it is imperative that a more recent survey be conducted, as the information of almost 10 years ago would either show if the poverty level decreased or increased.
It identified pockets of poverty, areas where resources were not sufficiently accessible to citizens, and the kinds of responses needed for the government to address critical issues affecting households and communities across the country. From the 2005 survey, we were able to determine some of the characteristics of the poor and vulnerable.
The data of this sample survey will also assist the ministry in determining the availability of healthcare facilities and the living conditions of families. It will also provide information on the demographics and the resources and living standards of members of surveyed households. Members of the public will be able to identify the enumerators easily. They will be clad in fluorescent vests, a satchel with the ministry's logo, and will have an identification card at all times.
When an interviewer comes to your house, and we are going to make sure that they have proper credentials, please do not turn them away. Help us to help you to create a better Trinidad and Tobago.
This survey started 2 days ago and is expected to run for a 2-month period. Mahala Joseph, CNews.